So sure, you can plant your tomatoes without Azomite, but why would you want to when there's so many great benefits to using Azomite? I'm here with Mike Fodge with Azomite.
Thank you.
And Mike, what are some key benefits if we were using Azomite when we plant our tomatoes?
Well, a couple of them you can see throughout the growth. One you won't see till the end.
Okay.
It's going to create a larger root growth.
Right, more roots, more fruits.
Absolutely. Which means you'll see more flowers
Okay.
and more fruit. And with that fruit, you're going to also have more flavor, and your fruit is going to be nutrient dense.
Right, and that's why we're growing our own home vegetables, right?
Exactly. If you want a bland tomato, you can go to XYZ grocery store.
Right.
But if you pick it right out of your garden, wash it and slice it, you can't beat taste.
That homegrown flavor. So also it increases the resiliency of your plant, and it's able to fight off disease and insects easier.
Because of the brick value that goes into the fruit is something that most pests cannot digest. They go away.
They can't metabolize it, yeah.
And one other benefit is that your stem will actually be thicker. So you'll have a supported plant that's able to grow without worrying about falling over.
Yeah, very, very cool. That's why I always use Azomite, because I am a tomato fanatic. I have a slight tomato addiction. There's worse things, right?
Yes, yes.
So get your Azomite and plant your tomatoes.